And welcome back to another video of Coffee and Stocks. In today's video, we are going to talk about two different topics. One is about Bitcoin's ETF, as well as AT&T stock that everybody was freaking out about. But obviously, before we get started, don't forget to drop a like on this video, as well as press that amazing subscribe button. It does go a long way in supporting the channel, and that's all I need from you guys, to be honest. Just support it. Just click the like and click the comment. You guys are the best. Let's get into the heat map. This is the S&P 500. Everything is very green. I love it. Your portfolio must have gotten up. My portfolio went up. That's why I really like it. I mean, everybody was going up. Tesla's slacking just a little bit. In the NASDAQ, green, and in the Dow Jones, everything is green as well. This is because the investors are super happy with the earnings of every company, and that is why it has gone up. Now, topic number one, we are going to talk about this. I just want to make this video super quick. Is the first Bitcoin ETF, and let me tell you guys, Bitcoin has gotten wild AF this time around. As you guys can see right here from CNBC markets, the first Bitcoin futures ETF rises more than 4% in trading debut on the New York Stock Exchange. The Bitcoin, or the ticker symbol, is BITO, and it jumped 4.8% to 41.94. I mean, 41.94 for an ETF is actually pretty good. That is a stable number. I do guarantee you guys that this will go up a little bit higher. Okay, Leno, get out of here. The fund tracks CME Bitcoin futures and contracts speculating on the future price point of Bitcoin rather than crypto itself. So don't mistake this of crypto in general. This is solely on Bitcoin. The price of Bitcoin jumped more than 4% on Tuesday to $64,206. Don't forget that I believe a couple of months ago, or a month ago, Bitcoin went down to like $40,000, and a lot of investors were being a little wild about it. Now it is back up to $64,000, and it is about 1% from its all-time high of April, which was at 64,899. So Bitcoin futures gained 4% as well. There is a couple of investors that have been saying that by 2030, Bitcoin is going to be at $300,000. I mean, that is a bold statement. If you haven't invested in crypto, I mean, I would say do your research just a little bit more, just because, Bitcoin or cryptocurrency in general isn't something to take on lightly. You do have to do your research, and not because everybody is talking about it, it's gonna always stay at the top. If you haven't invested in BITO or this ETF ProShares Bitcoin strategy, do your research. I am not your financial advisor, but definitely look into it because it does seem very, very nice. I will say that I do own a couple of shares of this, but maybe in the future I will buy a little bit more depending on how the market goes, or if it drops a little bit more. It did start out at around $41, and then it went all the way up to $42, and then it's dropped back down to around $41.85. So definitely take that into consideration. The next topic that I do want to talk about is AT&T Inc. A lot of people were scared of AT&T and how it wasn't doing that great, and if it was just going to crash like crazy. I mean, to be honest, today it did go up around 1%, even to go as high as $25.63. Now, sounds good and everything, but in the past 6 months, it has gone down from $32, and that is more than 21% to the downside. I mean, it's not incredibly bad. I will say, if you do own some of these stocks at around the price of $30, you should buy some of them, some more AT&T down here. So you could average cost your dollar. It helps you out very well. And don't forget that it does have a dividend yield of 8.13%. Not the best. As the yield gets higher and higher, it means the stock is getting a little wild, or you shouldn't invest. If it's under 10%, is better. So definitely keep that into consideration. I do own quite a bit of AT&T, and I do sell some option trading, and that just gives me a little bit more money in order to reinvest it into AT&T again, or just increase in my portfolio. AT&T and Verizon have delivered earnings that are very positive, and that's why AT&T went up today. I will say to don't disregard AT&T like anything. Just keep buying it. It just gives you, I mean, one thing, it gives you dividends, and the other one, it is gonna go back up. I mean, AT&T is here to stay. They're not gonna disappear. So all those people that are saying that you should sell them or that you shouldn't be doing anything with AT&T and just leave it alone, I honestly believe they're wrong. I honestly believe they're wrong. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor, so please go do your research. But AT&T is here to stay, and AT&T will outperform other competitors, to be honest. So definitely keep that in your portfolio. All right, so that was today's video. Hopefully you guys liked it. Don't forget to keep investing in AT&T, as well as take a look into the Bitcoin ETF, or with the ticker symbol BITO. That will get you a lot of money, I guarantee it, because Bitcoin will keep going up and up. All right, so I will see you guys next time on Coffee and Stocks. Don't forget to drop a like in this video, as well as press that amazing subscribe button.